In this video, I will demonstrate how to buy shares of Ascelia Pharma AB using the exact search query how to buy shares of Ascelia Pharma AB. Ascelia Pharma AB is a clinical stage biopharma listed on CBOE Europe under the ticker ACE.ST, and this guide is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ACE.ST to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Ascelia Pharma AB entry from the search results. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the page shows Ascelia Pharma AB and ticker ACE.ST so you have the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending order for when it reopens. If there are not enough funds available, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.